Hello dear students, welcome to Utkarsh English lesson. Today here is a very simple quiz for you. This quiz is based on animals. I will give you some clues about those animals. You just have to name those animals. Okay? So now let's start and listen to me.
It is a pet animal. It loves meat and bones. It lives in a kennel. It watches our houses at night. It is man's most faithful friend. Which animal is it? Think of. This is so easy. Now you look at the pictures, you choose one. It is a dog. Okay, next one. It is a very cute animal. It has a bushy tail. It has 3 stripes on its body. It climbs trees and collects nuts. It is said it helped Lord Ramachandra build the bridge in the sea. Which animal is it? You think of and look at the pictures. You choose once again. Right? This is a squirrel. Third one. It is a domestic animal. People keep it for meat and milk. Its sound is just like the month of a British calendar. Now you read the month and tell me which animal it is. Yes, this is very interesting. You choose one. It is a goat. Once again, it is very tall. It lives in the desert. It is called the sheep of the desert. Which animal is it? Now look at the picture and recognize the animal. Yes. It is a camel. Now you closely observe its body features and tell me whether it is tall or short. You see, it is very tall. Its legs are long or short. What is its neck like? It is also very long. What about its tail? It is also very long. Its legs, neck and tail are long. And you can see its color. It is white, black or grey. It is definitely grey in color. Where is the camel found? The camel is found in desert or forest. Look at the picture and choose the answer. What does the camel eat? Once again, you look at the picture and you guess what the animal eats. The camel is kept for a lot of things. We get a lot of things from the camel. Meat, milk and wool. Okay? Now finally you tell me, what is it mainly used for? You look at the picture and you say it is used for transportation in the desert. Once again you see the video clip. Okay, now let's do this activity to describe the animal called the camel. Right? You have to match column A with column B. So I do one for you. The camel is an animal. Similarly, you try to do. It has 4 long legs. Its neck and tail are also very long. It is very tall. It is grey in color. It lives in the desert. It eats grass. It gives us milk. It is used for transportation. It is called the sheep of the desert. Okay, so you see, this is the description about the camel. So while describing an animal, so you should keep it in mind. You must describe its body features, color, living place, food, and its usefulness. Okay, so now open your worksheet number 22. Look at the picture and think of about this animal. This is the largest animal on the earth now. Can you describe the elephant? Yes, you have nothing to do. You just match column A and column B once again and you get the answer. Okay, and complete the worksheet number 22. Okay, and the student who completes correctly and shares in the group is the winner today. Starts completing the worksheet. Thank you.